Hello, this is Tristan Haskins from bhipltd.co.uk and shopforgerber.co.uk. I'm just going to do a quick couple of minutes overview of one of our most popular mid-sized Gerber tools, the Gerber Balance. Gerber Balance multi-tool, like most Gerbers, has retractable pliers, not butterfly opening. But on this one, the retractable pliers are deployed with a lever here on the back, like this. Unfortunately, they're not spring-loaded pliers. That would be nice in this tool. So regular pliers with the wire cutter. All of the tools on the Gerber Balance are accessible from the exterior, so there's no need to open the pliers to have access to the screwdrivers or knife blades. Key features here: partially serrated and fine edged knife blade, bit driver, interchangeable between flathead and a small to medium sized crosshead. On the other side there's a smaller interchangeable bit driver, again between a very small flathead and a crosshead. And finally we have some spring-loaded pliers. All of the blades on the Gerber Balance are non-locking. These are not locking blades, and they're less than 2 inches, so UK law defines a carry as a multi-tool. So if you're looking for a tool with pliers, essential knives, essential screwdrivers and some handy tweezers, and please consider the Gerber Balance tool. We sell the Gerber Balance on our online store, bhipltd.co.uk, and this review can be found on our website, shopforgerber.co.uk. Thank you.